In this particular video, I'm going to show you how to connect a wallet in Blum mining that we are now in Telegram. Hi guys, and welcome back to Learn with Abakar. In this channel, we are talking about affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, blogging tutorial, mining and airdrops, cryptocurrency, anything related to make money online. So that is what I'm publish here. If any one of this topic interests you, please guys subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification so in order to get notified every time I upload a new video. So without further ado guys, let's dive in. So what you are going to do now is to enter your bot in Telegram, which is Blum, as you can see right here. So if you want to get an update guys about mining, cryptocurrency and other ways to make money online, so don't forget to join my Telegram channel. I'm going to leave the link of that particular Telegram channel in the description of this video. So let's go guys. As you can see, now I am in my bot. I'm gonna enter my Blum airdrop. As you can see, now it's open, so it's loading. So as you can see, it's open. So this is my Blum account. I have just accumulated 10,000 points 770. As you can see, I'm still farming and I have 207 tickets. So as you can see, wallet button was now pop up here. So before now we don't have this icon here. So if you enter your bot, so you can click on this wallet. As you can see, so it says leveling up, connect your wallet to access upcoming crypto features. Our team is working hard to bring them to you soon. So click on this connect wallet. As you can see, those are the wallets that are now popular about Ton Coin, which is Tonkeeper, my Ton wallet, Ton Hub, and Open wallet, which is the wallet in Telegram. So me in this particular video, I'm going to use with Tonkeeper because I'm always use with Tonkeeper. So as you can see, it's open. So let me click on this connect wallet. So let me enter my fingerprint. So my wallet was connected successfully, as you can see now. So you see it right here. Let me show you. So this is my wallet address and this stick is now showing me my wallet is active. So this is how you can connect your Tonkeeper or my Ton wallet or Ton Hub with your Blum mining. As you can see here, Ton connected. So the next thing that we will do at the future is this Blum wallet connect. So this is the first thing that they allow us to do right now. So at the future they will allow us to connect Blum wallet and wallet connect. So right now Ton wallet connect is the first thing that you gonna do. So if you are getting value from this video guys, please give it a thumbs up. I'm really appreciate that, and YouTube will recommend it to my people and they will benefit from it. So if you want to get an update about mining and airdrops, cryptocurrency and other ways to make money online, don't forget to join my Telegram channel. I'm going to leave the link of that particular Telegram channel in the description of this video. So thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Peace.